Insurance agents can obtain low-interest, long-term financing using renewable commissions as collateral. This program is the best program available for insurance agents regarding approval requirements and approval terms. You can be approved for a 3 to 10-year loan or credit line for your insurance business, even if you have average credit. And all you truly need to qualify is a book of business of renewable commissions. You can even use the book of business for the insurance agency you are buying as collateral to get approved. Insurance agents rave about how easy this program is to qualify for. The lenders are mainly looking to ensure you have a viable book of renewable commissions for your insurance agency. If you do, you can be approved even with a 520 personal credit score. You can secure as much as a 120% of the surrender value of your renewable commissions. And most agencies can qualify, excluding State Farm. All you need for approval is a complete application and breakdown of your renewables. You can get rates as low as 4% over the prime rate, and you can get loan terms as long as 10 years, helping keep your payments low. You can even secure working capital credit lines instead of a long-term loan. Book of Business financing is the absolute best long-term solution for insurance agents who can't secure SBA conventional type loan financing. And it's so easy to qualify for that many agents actually prefer Book of Business financing over conventional bank loans. With Book of Business financing, your business doesn't need to be perfect, nor do you need to supply the extensive documentation that lenders typically demand. You can get approved with just a quick review of your credit and renewable commission breakdown. Unlike conventional financing, you don't need good credit. You can be approved even with severely challenged personal credit and scores as low as 520. Lenders are actually more interested in you supplying 3 solid references than they are with you having good credit. This type of financing offers insurance agents some of the longest terms and best rates of any other type of business financing, and it's easy to qualify and get approved, and you can quickly get funding. Contact us today to learn more.